Hello, West Seattle High School community. This is a quick video about how to do a highlighting assignment from a Schoology assessment. So I've already clicked into my example version of one, and basically I have a instruction up here at the top that's asking students to highlight in a particular way on this map. Basically, you're just doing your standard, highlight the areas kind of map. I made a little key before I put the map on here just so you could tell which colors you're supposed to use. And then you'll see it's red, blue, green, yellow, and black. And up here is what you'll need to do the highlighting. So you just click on this thing, pick up your highlighter. So it's red in this case, and I'm supposed to do the British colonies red. So let's say I know that like Egypt is a British colony. I could just like draw over it just so that people know that that's a British colony, as is say South Africa. So I could just highlight this way. It's not really highlighting so much as just making some marks on the map. The French there, you're supposed to do blue, so you just click on this and do blue. And so like Algeria is definitely French colony, so I'll just highlight that and make all the people in Algeria really unhappy because nobody likes being a colonial country. So basically you just do that. And then once you are done with your highlighting, which probably, and in this case, you're going to be matching this up with a different assignment. So you can do the highlighting, so you'll like click back and forth between windows or have two windows open. But anyway, super straightforward assignment. You just have a picture. You'll hopefully have some instructions on here, and then you just use the various highlighter colors to do what it is you need to do. All right, so that's how to make how to do one of these assignments where they ask you to highlight. Thanks, bye.